So welcome back. In the last video we saw how to set the goals in Google Analytics. So once your goals are set, now we have to study the data reported by the Google Analytics. So for this purpose, we have to go to the Google Analytics dashboard. As in the present property, we don't have data. So let us switch to a demo account to understand various goal-related reports. Go to all website data and select Google Merchandise property. These are predefined goals of Google Merchandise property. To know more detail about the report, let us go to the Conversion tab. Click on Goals and Overview. Here we have overview of our goals data. We have achieved around 2000 goals with 0 value. There is possibility that value might not be defined at the time of setting of the goals. Then we have the data related to goal conversion rate, total abandonment rate, goal-wise details of each goal. These are the destination pages, and you can see on each page how many goals are completed. Goals are also classified on the basis of source or medium of the traffic. In this report, you can see maximum goals are completed by the users who are coming from Google organic results. This indicates the importance of source of the traffic where maximum goals are completed. Let us see what is there under Google URLs. It is nothing. It is just a destination page-wise frequency of completed goals. Next we have the reverse goal path. It shows the journey of the users before reaching to the destination page. It will help us to understand the route user follow to reach to the final page, and we can customize it if needed. Next we have the funnel visualization. The funnel visualization simply explains how many people entered to the funnel and finally how many completed the purchase. It will also show you how many people left at each stage of the purchase process. In this example, you can see 1575 people put the item in the cart, only 337 proceed to the billing and summary, rest of them exit from the website, and out of 337, only 181 proceeded to the payment. Out of 181, only 34 reviewed their orders before making the final payment. And out of 34, only 22 completed the purchase. This is very important report which will help us to understand how our customers are proceeding to the final payments. Next we have the goal flow. It starts tracking the information the moment user lands on our website till the goal is completed. Then we have the e-commerce related reports. So we have very comprehensive data here. It will make the sense only if we have the e-commerce websites. So for the time being, I am not going to explain much about this report. Similarly, we have multi-channel funnel explaining the e-commerce related data. Again, I will not talk much about this multi-channel funnel as this is very advanced level of data tracking. User management. User management is very important in Google Analytics because in an organization, you are not the only one who is using the Google Analytics data. There may be other team members in Google Analytics team. So, as an admin, you can give the permission to these members as well with some control. Let me show you how to give the access of the Google Analytics to others. I am showing you this process in the original property, that is dmook. From admin, go to user management. Here you can see I am the only member to access the Google Analytics information. I can edit, collaborate, read and analyze, and manage the users. It simply means I have full rights of Google Analytics and have full control over it. If you want to add any team member to the Google Analytics, click on this plus sign. Click Add Users enter the email ID of the member to whom you want to give the access. Here is the list of permission, and you can grant the permission depending upon the nature of the job of a person. If it is edit, he can create the property, views and filters. If it is collaborate, he can create and add the shared assets like dashboards. If it is read and analyze, he will be only able to view your reports. He cannot make any change in the Google Analytics settings. Manage users, with this permission, he can add the user, delete the user permissions. Actually, he has the full control over the Google Analytics as the Google Analytics admin has. Let me select read and analyze and click add. One member is added here. Lastly, let me show you how to set the filters. It is very simple to set the filters for your views. Suppose I want to set another view of my website data where it should not include the data if anyone is visiting my website internally or from within the organization, because it may unnecessarily inflate the data. From admin, go to the properties and filters. So far, we haven't created any filter. To add, click on add filter. Give any name to the filter. It will be the name of your data view. Select the filter type, exclude. Select the source, traffic from this IP address. Give the IP address of your computer. In the description, I have given the link how to check the IP address of your computers. Let it be equal to and save it. Your new view will be created here. So with this, we have completed all the modules on Google Analytics. I tried my level best to teach you various aspects of Google Analytics. Here we have to admit it that Google Analytics is a very vast tool and it requires a lot of time and efforts. So this is just the beginning of Google Analytics. Next you have to explore the remaining options as per your requirements. So thank you so much for being with me.